In this video, we'll show you how to change the thermostat on your Chevy Silverado. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. You need to drain the cooling circuit. To do this, we recommend that you watch our video, How to Perform a Coolant Flush on a Chevy Silverado. Once the circuit has been bled, you need to access the thermostat. Using adjustable pliers or the tool used in the video, compress the coolant hose retaining ring, then remove the hose. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using a ratchet and a long 10mm socket, unscrew the two thermostat housing cover retaining bolts. Then remove it. Remove the thermostat from the housing cover. You can use fine sanding paper to remove the various residues from the seal surface. Then wipe off the impurities on the seal with a paper towel. You can order the thermostat used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new thermostat. Install it in its location. The thermostat has a locating piece that holds it in place in the cover. Put the thermostat housing cover back in place. And screw it back on. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Reconnect the hose. Put the coolant hose retaining ring back in place. Now you need to refill the radiator with coolant and purge any air from the circuit. To do this, we recommend that you watch our video, How to Perform a Coolant Flush on a Chevy Silverado. Operation complete.